what is in this box, in this dimly lit room, in the kitchen area. Welcome everybody, just a quick little unboxing. I got another package in the mail today from a company called Raku, I think is how it's pronounced. And they create kitchen products such as things for your stove over here, the covers and stuff like that, and also things for the kitchen sink, which I think is what they sent me today. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. If anybody wants this product, there will be a link in the description below. Now, to tell you the truth, and just like I told that company, is I live full-time in a motorhome. I really don't have much counter space, and I don't really, it's hard, you know, no reason to accumulate so much stuff. And I wasn't sure if I could actually highlight their product in a great manner. I was going to do it at work because we have a full kitchen at the office, but I said, you know what, let's bring it home. Maybe it is something I can actually use in the RV if it doesn't take up too much space, because that's the big issue with living in a motorhome, is space. Within this box is well, I'll tell you in a second. I think the cat's wondering what's inside the box too. Let's pop this thing open and take it out. Since I'm shooting this on my phone and not my regular camera, this is going to take two hands. Okay, I have it out. It came in that box and also was packed very well. And yeah, this is what I thought they sent. Would you look at that piece of beauty? What is this first? There's some sandpaper. There's sandpaper in here. I don't understand why there is sandpaper. And I'll tell you why I don't understand it. Because this here is actually a rock. It's a rock. And what you do is you put your dishes on here, and the rock absorbs the moisture after you've washed your dishes. So it's basically like a drying rack, but the rock is absorbing the water, supposedly. This is everything it says here. Instructions. It's a drying mat. It's mainly made of, I can't pronounce that word. I cannot pronounce that word. What is that word? What is that? What is that long word? Diatomaceous earth?
Diatomaceous.
Diatomaceous, I am told. Diatomaceous earth, which means? You don't know. You can pronounce the word, but you don't know what it means.
I have known, but I forget exactly what it means. But
it says which can quickly absorb water and evaporate quickly, as well as remove odor, dehumidify, mold. It's mold resistant. For newly used, there would be a slight powder found on the mat surface. It is normal phenomenon to the diatomite. Diatomite? Oh boy, these are some difficult words. Please wipe off with a properly wet cloth. So yeah, what this does is basically you can do something like that. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So you can put racks on it, but I'm assuming you probably don't need to. If the cat would move, I would set it out. Well, here, hold on a second. It is quite lovely, I must say. Has a little mat thing on top of it.
oh, that's so it won't slide around on the countertop.
Oh, that's so it won't slide around on the countertop. This is heavy. It's like made out of rock or something. Man, you can't even pick this thing up. Whoa, this thing is nice. So yeah, it's pretty, if you have an RV like ours that has this fold-up thing, it fits really nice there. Perfect. It might even fit over the sink if you don't have a cat on the sink. But yeah, what a great product. Thank you so much for sending this. Like I said, I will drop a link in the description below. Now, our stove doesn't need a cover. We don't even use our stove. We have a air fryer in there, and then with an ice machine right beside it. We don't even use the oven or the stove, so we really didn't need that, and we really didn't need this neither. But I think it makes a nice addition, and it is attractive. It makes my RV look like it's 30 years newer. Not really. But if you want something like this, I can honestly say it's well built. I don't even know if they build these. Is it just earth? Is there a place in the world where rock just comes out like this and they just cut it and send it to you? I don't know.
Diatomaceous earth is like
Diatomaceous.
it's made out of like seashells and stuff like that. That's
Seashells?
why people put it around places where they don't want bugs because it cuts up their little legs and stuff.
Oh, so if bugs walk across this, it will cut their legs off.
I don't know if
So it's made out of seashells then. I thought it was a rock, but it's really heavy. So that if it is seashells, there's a lot of seashells to make this thing. That's kind of cool. That's pretty neat. And it absorbs water
Yeah, seashell.
and humidity.
Yeah, that's
So if you can't afford a dehumidifier, there you go. The price and everything will be in the link in the description. Check it out if you want one of these. It will add to the decorative look of your kitchen, even though this is my decorative look right at the moment. That's how I decorate my kitchen. All right, we found a use case. In case there's any moisture from the ice making machine, it will absorb that. That is nice. And when traveling, the ice machine shouldn't slide. So that's a bonus. Anything to make moving days easier.